Hey everyone, welcome to Oxmoor Hyundai. I'm Gabrielle. I have Jack here with me. He's going to be going over some information on a 2025 Hyundai Tucson SEL. So talk a little about it.
So as Gabby was saying, we have the 2025 Tucson SEL pulled up here for us. Up front, we have a brand new front grille design. Looks very good. As we come around, they also updated the wheel design on these. Inside, it has cloth seats with a brand new wraparound screen all the way throughout. This comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay as well as heated seats up front. Around back, you will get plenty of extra storage space in this Tucson with the automatic trunk. And for more storage, you can just lay these seats down flat straight from the back of the vehicle. The best part about these is right now we are running 0% APR, so come out as soon as you can, take advantage of the promo.
All right, guys, and the starting MSRP is $34,500. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. All of our contact info is listed right here. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.